occasionally people drop things at my door. Bags, boxes of things they think I might find useful in my building. And so today was one of those days where a lady who had been at the studio tour, participated in the London Artist Studio Tour, and she had been at the studio tour, and she's actually dropped things off a couple of times, and I appreciate it every time because she always brings some interesting things. But so I thought today we'd open it up and see what she actually brought me. I haven't looked at it yet, so let's see. So first of all, there's this really nice Laura bag, which is a good reusable nice bag. So that's a keeper. And then we move on to this container, which seems in good shape too, and so it could also be something to help sort and store things, and could be a nice addition to my storage bins. So what do we got here? We have some crinkle packaging. That's always welcome because, you know, packing up small stuff is always, you know, for sale, like when somebody buys something. If it's small and requires some packing like this kind of thing, which is great. So that's a nice bonus. And then this, another little cool box, it seems. So that's a nice, oh, that'll be a nice box to store some things. Oh, cool, good. And then here we have some, I guess it's fishing line and a weight and a hook. I've never used those, but that could be interesting. Don't just discount something because it's a little odd. The whole basis of my practice is stuff that's a little odd. Anyway, yeah, so that could be kind of cool. Maybe we'll see. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that feather. That is just, look at that blue. Oh, I hope that blue comes across on the screen. That is a gorgeous feather. Oh, so pretty. I have a real thing for feathers. If you've been in my studio, you know that. Oh, that's a beautiful, beautiful feather. What a lovely blue. I don't know what bird that's from. Maybe one of those grackles. Anyway, that is a gorgeous blue. That's beautiful. I'm going to definitely keep that out for sure somewhere safe. And these are, what are these? Oh, little like clips, like in a bigger thing. They'd be like barrettes for a little girl's hair or little boy's hair. Those are interesting. They could be very cool. So what else we got here? Don't know what that is. Let me put my glasses on for a sec here. What's that say? Made in Finland, Kungs. So I don't know what that is from, but not that that's ever stopped me before from using something, but that is a nice solid piece of plastic. That's pretty cool. I like that. And then this maybe somehow went with that, but also really nice solid piece of plastic that could be incorporated into something. And then there's some more packaging bits, which those could be useful. Oh, these, I love these little tins with the clear lids. They're nice, so you can put your stuff in there and then see what you've got. So that's definitely really great. I love this guy. He's awesome. Oh my god, look at that. That is so cute. It's like a little, he's got no tires, but we could fix that, or we could put something else in there maybe. Oh yeah, that's really cool. That is definitely very cool. And these things, these, I'm not sure what they're from. Some sort of like a, probably from like a puffer, or I don't know, maybe some, I'm not sure what they're from, but they're some kind of compressed gas kind of thing. But they make great like tanks and that sort of looking things for sculpture. So they're always good for things. Oh, rusty bits of metal are always wonderful. Look at the colors on that. I don't know how well you can see all those amazing, gorgeous colors in there. Look at all that. That is just beautiful. Just beautiful. I don't know what it is. Doesn't matter to me. That is going to get used for sure in something. This, how interesting is this? So it's like that. So it's like attach one side and attach the other side, and then, oh, that is pretty cool. Again, no idea what it is. If you know what these are, give a shout in the comments and tell me what something specific is that I don't know what it is. Not that it matters to me that what it is. I'll use it anyways if it's interesting looking and serves the purpose I'm looking for. But look at the patinas on that and the chunky bits right out. That is so cool looking. That's great looking. And then there's another, oh, these are like some black pipe, like the end cap on a black pipe. That's always useful. I always like the chips because they're, you know, those little parts are very, very cool to cut up and very attractive to use. More metal bits. That's nice. That would be a good hold down, tie down. So like something like that could fit right in there quite nicely. Make like a little, see, I'm already putting stuff together, man. I love that. That is cool. This is all, oh, this guy here is nice. Very nice. This could be very good. Little, really sturdy cardboard tube. That's cool. What is this? It's a Canadian Tire coin. If you're not from Canada, Canadian Tire money is ubiquitous. It's a thing that now I think it's all electronic, but used to be a thing you collected when you made your purchase at Canadian Tire, and then you could redeem it for items. Oh, cap gun caps. Haven't seen those since I was a little kid. That's cool. I do like that shapes though. They're on somebody's dog tag. And then this is a bag. It says, Mary Jo, I hope these things work for you, and Suzanne. So that's okay. I appreciate that from her. And some keys. Keys are always good. Keys and key parts. They're always interesting. I use a lot of that sort of stuff sometimes. This looks like a filter of some kind. Again, could go back to this, similar shapes of this, so something to go with that. That's kind of cool. Don't know what that is. Again, that also works there. So does that. This probably does too. Yeah, look at that. All these things, you know. That's pretty awesome. A fishing bobber to go with my hook, I guess. And I haven't done fishing in a long time. I used to go fishing all the time. My brother, my dad. I've been fishing a long time. And then this guy, what the heck is this? This is pretty cool. It's like a Air Canada's cocktail stir or something, but it's what it looks like. But that is pretty sweet. That I like a lot. That's really nice. So there's my bits and pieces for today of the things that arrived in that box, in this bag, box and bag. Pretty cool, and thank you very much, Suzanne. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed looking at all this stuff. So we'll see in future things of what actually gets made with them. Again, if you have any thoughts on what things are that I don't know what they're called, then shoot them in the comments if you like. If you like this kind of thing, like, subscribe, all those good things, and you have a good day. We'll talk soon.